Discover how the best 3D printers for home can transform creativity into reality. Imagine turning your unique ideas into stunning objects right from your desk. With today's advanced yet affordable printers, crafting personalized designs becomes effortless. Owning one isn't just about technology, it's about experiencing innovation at your fingertips and bringing dreams to life in your own space. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Combo 3D Printer. Bring imagination into your everyday life with the Bambu Lab A1 Combo that combines advanced design and effortless performance. This model includes the A1 3D printer along with AMS Lite, which allows smooth multicolor printing so every detail of your project feels alive. The experience of watching your digital design evolve into a physical creation within minutes brings unmatched excitement and a sense of achievement. Crafted with high precision and reliable speed, this printer turns even the simplest idea into something meaningful you can touch and hold. Its intelligent system ensures stability so that your final object carries both strength and elegance. While many machines demand constant adjustments, this one delivers automatic balance and flow management, allowing you to focus on your creativity instead of endless setup. The quiet operation makes it a perfect choice for any home environment, blending into daily life without noise distractions. Imagine building models, accessories or customized pieces for family and friends in your living space while maintaining peace and calm. Every printed layer carries the feeling of innovation right at your desk, transforming the way you create. Choosing this printer is not just about owning a device, it is about bringing professional quality into your home, where your projects no longer remain ideas on a screen. It opens the door to personal expression, gifting, learning and limitless design opportunities. With the Bambu Lab A1 Combo, your creativity finds a voice that feels both personal and powerful. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D Printer. Imagine transforming your creative ideas into tangible objects with the Creality K1C 3D Printer. Every project comes to life with remarkable speed, allowing you to see your imagination take shape faster than ever. The thrill of watching a design you envisioned on a screen become a real, touchable creation fills your space with excitement and inspiration. Precision and reliability make every printed model feel professional, while the advanced system ensures smooth performance so you can focus entirely on crafting unique pieces. Even intricate projects turn out flawless, giving a deep sense of accomplishment and pride. The seamless printing experience removes frustration, letting creativity flow freely without interruptions or setbacks. The quiet operation creates a calm environment where focus and concentration are effortless. You can build personalized items for friends, family, or even for yourself without disturbing anyone around you. Every printed object becomes a reflection of your personality and passion, making your home or workspace feel vibrant and alive. This printer elevates ordinary ideas into extraordinary creations, opening endless possibilities for learning, experimentation, and self-expression. Watching your designs grow layer by layer gives a satisfying feeling that inspires continuous creativity. Owning this device is more than just having a printer, it is about experiencing innovation and personal achievement firsthand, bringing professional quality and enjoyment directly into your hands. With the Creality K1C 3D printer, imagination knows no limits, and every project becomes a celebration of creativity and possibility. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 3D Printer. Step into a world where imagination turns into reality with the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Resin 3D Printer. Every design you envision comes to life with exceptional clarity and detail, making your creative ideas tangible in ways that inspire awe. Watching a digital concept transform into a solid, touchable creation sparks a sense of joy and accomplishment that is truly unforgettable. The precision and stability of this printer ensure that each layer is accurate, producing results that feel professional from the very first print. Fast printing speeds let you complete projects quickly, giving you more time to explore new ideas and experiment with unique creations. Every printed piece becomes a reflection of your personality and creativity, adding a personal touch to your workspace or home. The immersive experience of using this printer makes designing more than a task. It becomes an emotional journey where every completed model brings satisfaction and pride. Even complex projects emerge flawless, encouraging confidence and motivating continuous exploration. The printer's reliable operation allows you to focus entirely on your imagination without worrying about interruptions or errors, turning every session into a seamless creative adventure. Owning the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is more than having a device. It is about opening doors to endless possibilities, where each project becomes a statement of innovation and artistry. Your home transforms into a studio of inspiration, and every idea you craft becomes a lasting creation. This printer brings professional quality and creative freedom into your hands, making the joy of creation both accessible and deeply rewarding. Number 4. Creality K1 SE 3D Printer. Transform your creative vision into reality with the Creality K1 SE 3D Printer, a device that brings imagination to life with effortless precision. Every idea you conceive becomes a tangible object, turning your workspace into a hub of innovation and excitement. Watching a design you dreamed of evolve layer by layer instills a sense of pride and achievement that is truly unforgettable. The smooth performance and reliable operation make each project enjoyable and stress-free. Complex designs are no longer intimidating, as the printer handles them with accuracy and consistency. Every completed model carries the feeling of professionalism, giving your creations a quality that reflects dedication and creativity. The experience of seeing your concepts become physical objects provides a deep emotional connection to every project you undertake. Speed and efficiency allow you to explore multiple ideas in a single session, keeping inspiration alive and encouraging continuous experimentation. Every printed piece becomes a unique expression of your personality, whether it is a decorative item, functional tool, or a personalized gift for someone special. The satisfaction of creating something original at home transforms ordinary moments into memorable experiences, making every session exciting and rewarding. Owning the Creality K1 SE 3D printer is more than having a machine. It is about embracing the joy of creation and discovering endless possibilities. Each print is a testament to your imagination and determination, turning your home into a space where dreams take form. This printer invites you to explore, experiment, and celebrate every achievement as you craft remarkable objects that inspire and impress. Number 5. Tina 2 Mini 3D Printer. Imagine a world where creativity comes alive right at your desk with the Tina 2 Mini 3D Printer. Every idea, no matter how small, transforms into a tangible object that sparks joy and excitement. Watching a simple concept evolve into a physical creation creates a sense of accomplishment that inspires confidence and motivates endless experimentation. The fully assembled design makes starting a project effortless, allowing beginners and young creators to dive straight into making. Each print becomes a personal achievement, turning learning and creativity into a playful and rewarding experience. The printer encourages exploration, enabling imaginative minds to experiment with unique designs that reflect their personality and style. Every printed model becomes a symbol of innovation, celebrating curiosity and dedication. The ease of use and intelligent operation ensures that creativity flows without interruption, making every session enjoyable and satisfying. Removable and flexible printing surfaces add convenience, allowing each creation to be handled safely and admired proudly. Even the most detailed projects emerge clear and precise, giving a sense of professional quality that boosts confidence in every effort. Owning the Tina 2 Mini 3D printer is more than having a device. It is about fostering imagination and nurturing passion. Each completed model becomes a tangible memory, a reminder of ideas turned into reality. Bringing this printer into your space transforms ordinary moments into exciting opportunities to create, explore, and celebrate every success. It empowers beginners and young enthusiasts to unlock their potential and experience the pure joy of making something extraordinary with their own hands.